Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this very pink look using the James Charles palette. Strap in, James is here. This look is very much inspired by Valentine's Day. Definitely not something I'm going to be wearing on Valentine's Day. First starting out with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm going in with that light brown color. I threw away the sheet that had the names on it. I just can't be bothered to keep up with those. If you really wanted us to know, you should have put it on the palette. And I'm going in with this baby pink shade. It didn't show up like anything, but this is the kicker. I'm going with this like hot pink shade on a fluffy brush, and I just kind of work it on the crease, in the crease, and it was really pigmented, really easy to use, so that was great. Good job, James. Next, I'm taking this deeper pink and I'm putting it on a smaller fluffy brush to do a little bit more detail blending. And I'm focusing that really just inside the crease and on the outer corner just to deepen things up, make things look more pink. And I take my time blending, going back and forth between big brush and small brush, more product, less product, doing whatever. Now I'm taking a concealer brush and my concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease. I don't do cut creases too often because I'm still learning. I really don't know how those Twitter girls get their cut creases and their blending to look so perfect, but they do. I don't know. I'm learning myself. I'm taking this shimmery shade. It's got like a pink reflex a little bit to it, like a baby pink, and I'm putting that all over my lid. It had quite a bit of fallout, but it still looked really pretty. It's not something that I would wear usually though. It's a little bit cool toned for me, but still pretty. I'm taking the pink on a very small detail brush and just running it along where we cut the crease to make sure that everything looks nice and blended, and also deepen up the pink because I want the pink to be intense. And now I'm just blending things out. I probably added a little bit more color on the blending brush to deepen things up and bring some brightness back. Next, I'm taking this light pink shade from the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and it's a glitter eyeshadow topper. I freaking love eyeshadow toppers. I think that they're beautiful, and the Moondust palette from Urban is perfect. I love this palette, but it just made the look that much more intense. I come back with my brows and lashes on, and now I'm using the Smashbox Hydrating Foundation for my foundation today. I probably could have gone a shade darker with my foundation, but too late. Can't undo what's been done. It doesn't look bad. I just feel like I could have gone a little bit darker. It's fine. This foundation's really beautiful though. Now I am looking at myself. Okay, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Really one of the best concealers out there. Very full coverage, very easy to blend out. I never have any issues with this concealer. I feel like the Shape Tape from Tarte can be a little bit hard to like manipulate, but the Too Faced Born This Way concealer is flawless. Like, if you don't like the Shape Tape, I would go with this one. It's very creamy and long wearing, full coverage. It's beautiful. Next, I'm just baking underneath the eyes. I quickly wiped this off afterwards. Just a quick little bake to make sure that everything is bright and set and will last all night, even though I took this off right after I was done filming. Now I'm going in with Nars Laguna bronzer. I recently got this bronzer and I love it. It's gorgeous. So what's everybody's plans for Valentine's Day, the Hallmark holiday? I hope you're putting money back into the economy, tipping your waiters and waitresses, taking care of yourself, treating others kindly. So yeah, let me know what you're doing on Valentine's Day. Anyway, I am adding some powder underneath the contour line to sharpen things up, clean up the area a little bit. And now I'm going with my Too Faced Sweetheart blush. in Beach Peach. I forget what order that goes in, but I always wear this blush on Valentine's Day or like for a Valentine's Day look because it's so cute and it's heart-shaped, and I really don't wear it like other times of the year, but I always bring it out on Valentine's Day because it's heart-shaped. And it's really pretty. I should wear it year-round, really. Now I'm going in with this Smashbox highlighter, Vlada something rose, metallic rose. I'm not sure. I'll leave it down below. It was discontinued anyway, but I wanted to use it because it was shaped like a flower and it's really pretty, but also it was a little bit too dark. Like I don't know. See, like I put so much on my nose and you can tell I put so much on my nose, but like I fix it later and then I put it on my brow bone, but I shouldn't have put it on my brow bone because it's so dark. And I ended up fixing that later too. I don't know why I set myself up for failure. Look, the Sweetheart blush coming in to save the day. Now it looks good. Now I'm taking this Buxom lip liner in Hush Hush. I love the Buxom lip liners. They're really big, so it's really easy to wear them just as lipstick, and they're super long wearing, and they have a beautiful color selection, especially for my pinky brown nude wants and needs. I love it. I really do love the Buxom lip liners. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the universal one. That's the only one that I own, but it's gorgeous. I really like it. It's very flattering. Now I am taking a detailed brush from Morphe, the same one that I used in the crease earlier, and I'm putting that pink shade on my lower lash line to just complete the look, and I'm blending it out with the fluffy brush. Now I'm setting my face with this new product from Pure Cosmetics. It's called their Lit Mist, and it's like a shimmery, glowy setting mist. I really like it, however, I do need to take a sponge afterwards and kind of pat it out, even though the mist feels very fine. I'm not sure what the situation is on it, but it's beautiful. Anyway, here's a completed look. I really hope that you enjoy. I hope that you have a good Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. Please go ahead and subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and hopefully I see you next time.